Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I will be reviewing and trying on all of my mascaras today and tell you what's good and what's not, so you can save your money on some of these really hyped products. If you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing all of that. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and let's get to the reviews. The first product I'm going to be reviewing is L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This is a long wear, volumizing and lengthening mascara that's clump resistant, smudge resistant, fragrance free, and suitable for sensitive eyes. Now this mascara is long wearing and it doesn't smudge on me. It's definitely volumizing and lengthening. I can't attest to it being clump resistant because it does clump after the second coat. But the good thing is I don't usually need the third coat. The only thing I don't like about this mascara is its brush. It is too hard and stiff and it's quite big. It's not flexible, but it gets the job done. However, I've got to say I still don't get all the hype about this product. The next one on the list is Essence Lash Princess False Lash Mascara. This mascara aims to provide you with a falsies look using your natural lashes. The conical shape fiber brush helps lengthen and lift lashes for a fuller and more voluminous look. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. Let me show you the wand. I really like the simple shaped, just enough flexible wand of this mascara. It really helps volumize and lengthen my lashes. It does what it's supposed to do, but I usually need 2 coats of this instead of 1. I also think some mascaras get better when they age, and this is not one of them. This is good when you first open it and for a couple of months. But I really like this. Next is Lancome Lash Idole Mascara. This signature arch curve brush pushes up and fans out lashes for an open eye effect, while its 360 micro bristles grab every lash. The Feather Light Gel Emulsion formula won't weigh on lashes, leaving them feathery soft without flaking up to 24 hours. Now, I felt indifferent to this mascara when I first used it, and then it aged a little bit and it became one of my favorite mascaras. This is very lengthening and definitely volumizing. I usually don't need the second coat. It gets the job done on the first coat. This will last you for a few months and you won't regret purchasing this. Next, MAC Stack Mascara. Now, this is really a hyped product, and for good reason. This is supposed to be an endlessly buildable, clump-resistant mascara that stacks on infinite layers of volume and length. Now, this has to be my favorite out of this bunch because the first time I used this, I was shocked at how volumizing and lengthening and clump-free this mascara was, and it gives you that wet look. This is perfection. I only need 1 coat and 1 second on each eye, and then I'm done. I don't know how to feel about the plastic wand. I prefer a brush wand, but boy, does this get the job done. Definitely my favorite. The next one on the list is Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. This is an all-in-one mascara that works for every lash type to lift, lengthen, curl, and volumize every lash from every angle. I believe that this is one of those mascaras that look good when aged. I didn't like this mascara when I used it the first few times, but after a few weeks of opening it, I used it again and it really volumizes and lengthens my lashes. I think that this is more volumizing than lengthening, but it does do both jobs. The downside to this mascara is I usually need 3 coats of this. Also, the wand is too big and I have to really focus when I'm applying it so it doesn't get all over my eyelids. After applying it though, it doesn't smudge and it stays put. I would recommend it. The next 3 products I'll be talking about are brown mascaras. So if you're in the look for a good brown mascara, I got you. The first one on the list is L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes Mascara. This is formulated with 99% natural ingredients. The formula is made of only essential ingredients, made of 320 bristles for an application without clumps while coating each lash like a leave-in conditioner for a result that'll last all day without flaking or smudging. This definitely feels lighter on my lashes, like it is made of natural ingredients. Unfortunately, it doesn't do a good job of volumizing, but it does lengthen my lashes. After applying it, it does stay put the whole day and it feels really lightweight. I think this is a great mascara for no makeup looks. And if you're looking for a super natural looking brown mascara, you might want to check this one out. Next is Max Factor X False Lash Effect Mascara. This is supposed to give you false lash effect. It is renowned for doubling the thickness of eyelashes thanks to the liquid lash formula that volumizes lashes and the bold brush that coats every single lash. This does absolutely nothing. I mean, money gone to waste, nothing. You can put 4 coats of this on your lashes and still nothing. The only thing this does is separate my lashes. I have nothing more to add than that. Don't buy this. This last product here is amazing. This is Beaulis Fake Mascara. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Let me show you the wand. This is a great brown color for those of you who have light brown eyes. This product here is for my Turkish pals and gals out there. This is a product you can only purchase in Turkish drugstores. This mascara is definitely a hidden gem. This is the best brown mascara I've ever tried yet. This is extremely volumizing and lengthening and clump-free and long-lasting. You need 1 coat and that's it. You're all set. So I definitely recommend this mascara. And that brings us to the end of this video. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite mascaras are. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!